Do you know what? I have seen these automatic transmissions. Huh? There is no human effort to change the gear. The manual ones, you use your eyes. Huh? When you come to the hill and then the feet, you use the feet. But this automatic transmission, it doesn't need any man. In other words, you don't need religion. You don't need any manipulation. You don't need anybody to play you around. Inside of you, you will sense the devil has brought a test. Change the gear. Go and pray. Go in tongues. Go in the Holy Ghost. Start praising. This is the generation that is going to change gears on the devil. The devil thinks tuition will be your hindrance. He thinks not having food will be your predicament. He thinks not having friends will be your detriment. But we are going to change gears on the devil.